What's going on, bitches? I am back with another one, and today I have the women's release, Nike Air Max 1. It goes by the name of Tour Yellow. It comes in a standard red box, and you can already see through the tissue paper, man, the yellow. And yeah, here are the sneakers themselves. The materials, yeah. And I'm sure you guys heard this before, but the materials are just next level, man. Look at this, bro. Look at the material. Look at the leather, the quality. Oh man. Oh no. No. This is next level, man. Look at this. Do you know what? The one thing I would love to change about this would be the white mesh toe box. I'm kind of guessing it will be a nightmare to keep clean. But yeah, man, look at this, bro. Look. I just want to keep the camera focused on the leather, because, I mean, looking at it is one thing, right? But touching it is a whole nother thing, bro. It's so soft, so nice. Very well made, man. Very well made. It definitely deserves... It deserves to be on the list, I think, on the top sneakers released in 2022. That's just my take on it, though. I don't know what you guys think. The yellow to me looks a bit... I mean, just looking at this sneaker, right? It just sort of reminds me of a banana. Is it just me? I just wanted to share my excitement with you guys for copping these, man. It drives me crazy when just looking at it. Every time I checked, it was out of stock on my size. And finally, one day, I just loaded the app and yeah, man, it was there. My size was there. And I copped instantly, you know. I didn't wait. I didn't hesitate. I just had to get it wrong. And here they are. And before we carry on, this also came with a pair of yellow laces, which I will throw on the sneakers just for you guys to have a look. And you can decide which one looks better. But yeah, guys, I mean, let's carry on with the on feet. Now, carrying on with the on feet, there's not much to say, okay? I tell you that now. There's literally not much to say. If you've ever tried a Air Max 1 or an Air Max 90 for that matter, because I think they're sort of like similar. These are exactly the same. They're a very comfortable pair of sneakers. Definitely true to size as well. Even though these are a women's release, they fit perfectly. Now, obviously, we can't skip this review without the crease test, as we do. And creasing wise, you'll be perfectly safe. No creases whatsoever. But like I said earlier, the main problem you will face with these is the toe box being a white mesh. I'm telling you now, will be a nightmare to keep clean. It would be a nightmare to clean as well. Okay, so I mean, that's one thing you have to be aware of. Now I'm going to do something different for you guys here, and I'm going to show you what they look like with a pair of black, blue jeans as well as the cargos. So here are the blue jeans. Here are the cargos, which, I mean, I kind of think that they look nice with the black trousers. And I was also considering throwing on some black laces. I don't know what you guys think. It, like the whole yellow, grey, and possibly even black would look nice, I think, on the sneaker. But let me know what you guys think. I mean, should I try? Should I not try? But yeah, let me know. Now here they are with some baggy jeans that I got from Zara recently, and I think they look fantastic with some baggy jeans on. I kind of like it more with the baggy jeans on, but I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Baggy or skinny or cargos, man. Or maybe you wouldn't wear them at all, man. You let me know if you like them or not. And I'm interested to finding out. Obviously everyone has their own taste. And here they are with the black skinny jeans on. I mean, out of them all, I kind of prefer the baggy jeans. But yeah, I mean, that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. But anyways, guys, that's it for today. That's it with this video. And if you have any questions, let me know below. And if you haven't done so already, do consider subscribing, because it does help out. And I will see you on the next one.